Hey guys, my name's Sam. I'm the founder of Sign365. I wanted this to be a more raw video because I want to talk about not just the benefits of Sign365, but what our mission is at Sign365. What we want to do is we want to revolutionize the way that documents are handled. We want to make GTOs across Australia able to get on with their work, find more apprentices, and not have to struggle with the minutiae of managing paperwork. A lot of work that we see in group training organizations is busy work. Things like getting supervisors to go out and collect information on apprentices and then have to scan that information back into your own system, or even if you're trying to sign contracts with host companies, sure, you might be able to implement something like DocuSign or another signing app, but there's problems in those flows. You're not able to automate things how you'd like them to be. What Sign365's mission is to automate those flows and make things easy for the GTO. So there's not quite any software out there which is targeted to a group training organization quite like Sign365 is. We were built for group training organizations. The first client that ever engaged us was a medium-sized group training organization with about 300 apprentices. They were having an issue where they were trying to get their data into Workforce One, and they also did a lot of regional work, as is often the case for group training organizations and regional training organizations across Australia. And when they were going to go out to site or go out for site visits for the supervisors would end up taking a sign now out or a DocuSign out, and they were failing because the offline support just wasn't there. They also found that the software was too complicated. So what we decided to do was we decided to make a software which was simple for supervisors to be able to use and which would also alleviate the burden for admin staff. And we found that staff were spending 20 hours or more a week just taking forms from supervisors and then re-entering that data into Workforce One and into other CRM systems and payroll systems. And when we saved them that time, when we sat down with them and worked out where we could automate their paper flow, we were able to get an 80% reduction in that. So we turned that 20 hours that they were spending down into 4 hours. And for them, it was a game changer, and they haven't looked back since. So that's why we're doing what we're doing at Sign365. It's more than just an app. It's a way to automate your systems to work for you, not against you. You shouldn't need to work for your own systems. You shouldn't need to work to enter in information. And that's what a lot of admin staff are doing these days. They're spending their time at the computer dealing with the supervisors, trying to copy the information that they've got in there. And furthermore, if it's not the supervisors, they're dealing with the host companies. That's where Sign365 really comes in and shines. It helps make sure that your data is going to be able to be entered in and it's going to be accurate. It also makes sure that you're not going to have to double handle data. It's just going to be entered in. So you send a supervisor out to site, you know that that information which they're entering is just going to automatically land in a Workforce One or in a Xero or whatever you're using for your payroll system. So it's very powerful software. If you've got any interest at all, feel free to contact us at sign365.com.au. And if you want to have a chat about how we can help you automate your paperwork and get a better workflow and a real upgraded workflow, please talk to me. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can reach out to me at sam@biz365.com.au. I'd love to hear from you. Cheers. Bye.